Alright, people, here we are. Welcome to the channel. My name is Chris, and I make videos and stuff. And this time, I'm gonna do a unboxing of my microphone that I just bought. And I'm pretty excited about it because it's a good one, supposedly. And should sound better than the audio of the GoPro, which is what I'm filming out of right now. Yeah, it's kind of weird being on camera, usually behind the camera, but that's just not how it's going to be. So let's get into it. What microphone did I get? Probably guessing you probably already know because you read the title to the video, and that's probably why you clicked on it anyway. The Shure SM7B. Yes, the SM7B Cardioid Dynamic Studio microphone. And there, that's the cloud lifter. Some stuff and a 1-foot XLR because I don't need that much. Shouldn't need that much. If I do, then if you're in the camp of why the hell did I get the cloud lifter, because you've probably seen videos of people saying that you don't, but I have not an awesome or not one of the super badass audio interfaces. I have a Scarlett 2i2 that I originally got just to record guitar stuff into GarageBand, and I think it works fine. Apparently it's not top of the line, but that's okay. So they say that if you have an audio interface like that that isn't so badass, then you should get the cloud lifter. So it did. Comes with a sticker that I'll probably not put anywhere. Limited warranty. Because if it breaks at some point, too bad. I originally was looking for one of these on Facebook Marketplace locally, but nobody had one. So I figured it's probably because it's good, and if anybody in town has one, why the hell would they want to sell it? So it has this strap thing for something. Oh, it does come with one. It comes with a fatter sock. Some kind of screw or gasket or something. Okay, and no, here's the thing. That is definitely some bomb ash. Yeah. So I do not have a stand, but I got one of those arms, Gatorworks. That I was able to find used on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, this thing seems very heavy duty. Cable goes in there. This connects to the arm. And the cloud lifter. Another cable wrap. Solid. I like how it's got the appearance of dust. Oh wait, that is That is actual dust. It's brand new. Oh well, there's dust in the world, and sometimes you get the dust. A magnet for your refrigerator, so when people come over and they look in your fridge before they open the door, they'll be like, "Whoa bro, you got a cloud lifter," and you'll be like, "Yeah." Doubtful they'd probably say that, but so I got this as a bundle. The microphone, the cloud lifter, and the cable. $533.47. I'm gonna have links to the items below in the description box if you're interested in buying them. It is an affiliate link, so if you did, I would appreciate it very much. Like I said before, I got this from some dude in town. I think normally they sell this thing for like $150 or $120, maybe even $200. But I bought it for $80. 80 bucks. Because the guy was like, "It's too much for me." This is the thing to which you can plug it into the wall, if that is what you're wanting to do. But I am going to mount it to the desk because that's what I feel like doing. This would be the thing. The mounting. So that probably just goes in there. Paper. Boxes. This is the box of the Gator Frameworks arm. You've probably seen some other people on YouTube using it. I know I did, and I was like, "Whoa, that looks pretty good. I'll get that one." So it comes with a cable, because I guess the cable is connected to it. Essentially, the microphone cable goes into the cloud lifter. The cloud lifter goes into the interface. Duh. It's very possible that I might need to push this back to all the way to that side, which means that the computer will have to be pushed back a significant amount. Okay, I think this will work. I need those monitors on. They're my studio lights right now. One of these days, I'll have some real studio lights. That's fine. Or does it look stupid with the wire? Does that look cooler? Do I look like a professional person that works in a studio and has a microphone? What'll have to happen in video editing will be that the audio from the GoPro, after we come back, will have to be cut. And then the audio from the microphone will have to be synced. And that is just how it goes when you're doing this kind of stuff. All right, so thanks for sticking around thus far. When we come back, or then we'll see the difference of audio from that to this. And there it is, the sync clap. And there this is. It's all set up in a position that I think makes sense for the time being. Currently on the interface I have the gain set to 50, which is pretty much recommended. Definitely hope it's a great improvement on the audio from the GoPro, because even that by itself isn't really that bad. But wanted to get a good mic. The next day. So here we are the next day during video editing, and after listening to the comparisons, I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the overall quality of the Shure mic versus the original audio from the GoPro. Definitely hope it's a great improvement on the audio from the GoPro, because even that by itself isn't really that bad. But wanted to get a good mic. Definitely hope it's a great improvement on the audio from the GoPro, because even that by itself isn't really that bad. But wanted to get a good mic. Now again, the audio from the GoPro is actually really good, but getting a good microphone if you're in the budget for one is not a bad thing. And the only reason why I was able to buy it is because I do lots and lots of Uber driving, and that allows me to get all the studio gear that I've gotten thus far. So obviously you don't need to get anything super expensive, but you know, if you feel like it, why the heck not? You know, get what you want. I hope you found this enjoyable and entertaining, informative. So with that, I want to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end if you have, and we'll see you next time.